Today, I'm going to show you how to create AI prompts using ChatGPT in a simple, repeatable way so you can get better results fast. If you've ever felt stuck trying to write the perfect prompt, this video will make the process much easier. And before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical AI tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. The first step is to open ChatGPT. You can do this on your browser or in the app. And once you're in, you're ready to start building prompts that actually work for your goal. The key here is not to overcomplicate things. A lot of people try to write massive prompts right away, but the better approach is to start with one clear instruction. For step 2, type one simple prompt into ChatGPT. Use this format. Create powerful AI prompts for your goal. So if your goal is YouTube content, you could type create prompts for YouTube scripts. If your goal is marketing, you could type create prompts for social media captions. If your goal is business, you could type create prompts for email replies or client outreach. The more specific your goal is, the better ChatGPT can shape the prompts for you. Once you submit that prompt, ChatGPT will usually give you a list of prompt ideas that match your topic. Now, this is where the real value starts. In step 3, you customize the prompts based on the kind of output you want. For example, if a prompt feels too complicated, you can tell ChatGPT, make them simple. If you want more detailed results, you can say, make them advanced. And if you want the prompts to work better in real situations, ask it to add examples. This is one of the easiest ways to improve your results, because instead of starting from scratch every time, you're teaching ChatGPT to refine the prompt for you. You can also ask it to make the prompts more professional, more creative, shorter, longer, beginner-friendly, or optimized for a specific task. The more you experiment with these adjustments, the more useful your prompt library becomes. Here's a simple example. Let's say your original goal is YouTube scripts. You might start with create powerful AI prompts for YouTube scripts. Then you can refine it by saying, make them simple, make them advanced, add examples. That gives you a range of prompts you can use depending on the type of video you're making. For a quick video, you might use a simple prompt. For a more detailed video, you might use an advanced one. And if you want consistent quality, examples help ChatGPT understand the style you want. Now, for step 4, save and reuse your best prompts. This is where you start working smarter instead of harder. Every time ChatGPT gives you a prompt that works well, copy it into a Notes app, document, or prompt library so you can use it again later. Over time, you'll build a collection of prompts that save you hours and help you get better responses with less effort. A great habit is to organize your prompts by category. For example, you might have prompts for YouTube, prompts for email, prompts for brainstorming, prompts for marketing, prompts for productivity. That way, whenever you need something, you already have a strong starting point ready to go. This is especially helpful if you use ChatGPT often for content creation, business tasks, or daily planning. So to recap, the process is very simple. Open ChatGPT, type one clear prompt like create powerful AI prompts for your goal, customize it by asking for simple, advanced, or example-based versions, and then save your best prompts so you can reuse them again and again. That's the fastest way to build a system that actually works. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more ChatGPT tips, and leave a comment if you want more prompt examples for your specific use case. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.